What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life after an oil change on a 2024 Chevy Trax. The Chevy Trax in this video is an RS trim. Depending on your Trax's options, your dash may look a bit different than this. But we'll need the vehicle either running or the ignition in the on position. And then I'm going to do all this using these controls on the blinker arm right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is if your center screen, if you have trip highlighted rather than vehicle, I'm going to press the select button right here with my thumb. And as I do that, it moves over to vehicle. Once the vehicle menu is highlighted like that, I'm going to come over here and use this button right here to twist. And as I twist, you can see it's scrolling through. So keep twisting that button and scrolling through until you get your oil life remaining highlighted, or your oil life percentage up, I should say. Once we have our remaining oil life percentage up, what I'm going to do is come over here and I'm going to press and hold this button in on the end of the blinker arm right here. So press and hold that in and keep holding it until we get this screen. It says, do we want to reset? I'll use this button again to twist and scroll up. And once yes is highlighted, I'll press this button in on the end again. And as you can see there, it's been reset back to 100%. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.